Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a black box. So today in this video we'll be trading, and I'll be showing you how you can also trade using the black box. Okay, you don't need any other strategy, you don't need any supply demand, you don't need any ICT, you don't need any moving average or indicator, no nothing. So this is a contest account on Prime XBT. So what you gotta do is, if you want to join, go to primexbt.com and join. Okay, you gotta join and verify yourself using your passport or ID, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, you don't have to deposit, as you can see. 1000 winners I mean contestants are there. We have a crypto futures, and we have a CFD, or the general market. Okay, it's a general market like the forex and commodities. This is only crypto, only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and crypto, all cryptos. Here we have $1,000 USDT in crypto. So this is not withdrawable. I think you cannot withdraw this thing. So all you gotta do is trade with it, and the profits will be withdrawn. I think it is something like that. I don't remember it. Okay, so our nickname is already the black box. It is of course the black box. And we're gonna show them that our strategy is superior. I mean, by any luck, the people are using luck. I mean, you know, these are the previous trades. I'm sorry. So these are before yeah. I mean, when it ends, it stays, the trade stays until next week. Okay, it starts on Wednesday and it ends on Tuesday evening. Okay, so it is 7 days. You got 7 days to trade and bring a lot of money, right? More than the others. So when I enter the competition on Tuesday and on the last day, so I will try to go all in. I will enter all in, like 10 lots, 15 lots, 20 lots. Okay, that's what you are seeing back there. The negatives. Okay, I don't trade this thing. I mean, I don't use the competition. Sometimes I come here to show you how you. So there are some upgrades here. Okay, they have done some upgrades here, but the platform is still, website is still, I mean, not usable. It is slow. It is slow, as you can see. It is very slow. We go to studies, and we don't need this MACD. I promise you that we don't need any indicator. What is this? This is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. So right here we could have all this thing. Right there is a buy. Right there is a buy. Bam. Right. So it was. This is 5 minutes, right? Yeah, it is a 5 minute. Nice. That's amazing. That's amazing. You can trade Bitcoin. You can trade crude oil. You can trade Dow Jones, US 30, Nasdaq, everything you want here. Okay, and I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you here. Okay, so sorry. Okay, I will catch you. Alright, sorry guys, I have to check out something. So the buy, then I sell, delivered to downside. As you can see, that black box is the one responsible for this moves. That is just crazy. So anyways, this is a thing. So let us go to here, right here. Okay, then we will enter this. This is it area. It area is a 15-minute time frame. So to be fast, what you gotta do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna enter. We gotta see the thing in the 1 minute. Maybe in the 1 minute or 3 minutes. Let's see the 3 minute. Okay, let's see the 3 minute. That is better than the 5 minute. Better than the 1 minute, because 1 minute it's just crazy. It is ridiculous. It is a lot of choppiness, so don't wanna mess around it. Let's hope that the audio is not choppy. When I record on OBS, it is choppy. It is crazy. I don't know why. It is choppy. Alright. So maybe it is a computer or the internet connection, but I don't know. It must be the computer. It must be the computer has it is processing a lot of data, so that's why. So there we go. So no is here. Why the black box is gone? Where? Right there. The black box is gone where? Right here. Bam, bam, bam. I told you that it has trade below the 5%. The halfway of this black box, halfway of this box. The not so weak. So as you can see, this halfway. Let's turn on everything. Turn off. I'm sorry. Let's turn off the 23, the 23, the 38, and the come on, buddy. The 61. We don't need that. We only need that. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. That is half the week. This is half of the week. So as you can see below, trade is below. That thing trade is below. That's a black box. That's a black box. What you're gonna do is now you put your up here. I see, just like this. We don't need the border for this one. Let's make it no that one. This one. We don't need this. But we have to darken it a little bit more. Right there. Oh my goodness, I love this color. What is this color, bro? Is this blue? I don't know. Is this blue? It could be blue, yeah. It could be blue. So okay, this one. So you buy upsell. Okay? You buy upsell. That's amazing. So let's go there and let's measure as you can see TP4 nailed, and look what's happening. Sorry guys. Look what's happening, guys. That means voila. Okay, we can now continue. As you can see, P4 nailed, and look what the market is coming back down. So no business here. So the other thing that you need to know is this right here. What is the significance of this black box? It is significance. What? It is a third model, right? It is what? The third model. Look the proximity. Look where the black box is consolidated. Black box formed exactly right there. Look the proximity. Ridiculous, bro. It is ridiculous. And look, this is where the idea starts. Where is that bulb? Light bulb one. We need that light bulb, okay? Bam! There we go. We got an idea here. Where is that light bulb? There we go. We got it. Bam! Boom. Let's give it a minute. There we go. The idea starts where are the 5% gone? Where? Right there, the 5% gone. You sold that thing, you trailed your stop, you took partials, and then you buy that thing again. Bam! Bam! Right? Okay? You are in profit. If you trailed your stop loss, then this thing would get you out of the trade, right? In profit. In profit. You'd be out of the trade in profit. Then what do? You enter a buy. Where? Exactly right there. This black box is a buying zone. Why? Because we are in the third model. Inside the third model, right here. So you buy here, You buy down there, buy down there. So before this video, I was streaming live, and you can watch it. It is only a 13-minute video, but I streamed for 40 minutes. 40 minutes, but it says it only recorded the 13 minute, bro. It is a 10-minute video. It is just ridiculous. Everything I said was lost. It was gone. It was gone, and I just can't believe it, bro. I just can't believe. I don't know why. I don't know why, bro. It's just crazy. I wanted to give you information. I wanted to show you everything and make your life easier, but it is not cooperating. YouTube is not cooperating, bro. I mean, YouTube is disconnecting, and bro, I live streamed for 40 minutes, but it says only 13 minutes, bro. Where is that 30 minutes? Where is the rest? Where is that 30 minutes? Everything I said is gone. It is lost. It is just crazy, bro. It is just crazy. So anyways, I am recording this again using OBS. I'm not live streaming again anytime soon until I buy a new PC. So I gotta buy a new PC. Maybe it is a PC or the internet connection. This is making my life miserable, bro. It's just crazy. So anyways, so this black box you buy the data inside this black box, and you buy down there. If you count it, I already talked about this on my live stream. And look at that. Until then, if the price comes by, you buy that. Why? This whole thing is what a buying zone. I've already provided the information on my book, Ultimate Black Box Trading Guide. Okay, it is what's called. It is in my profile. You can check it out. You can check that out. Okay, the Ultimate Black Box Trading Guide. Okay. Sorry guys, so you can check that out in my profile on my YouTube channel. There is a link, and you can click that one and download your book and read it and apply it. You will not need anything else. I promise you, you will not need nothing. Anyways, let's go back to our challenge. So this is a buying zone. This is a buying zone. Okay, this is where you buy. That's where you buy. That's where you buy. That's where you buy. As soon as this thing comes back. So look where is the bar. That's ridiculous. That's amazing. Next we'll go to I can use this simple button here as a down key arrow. If you have placed a watch list here, if you have placed something in the watch list, then you would come on, man. Everything is yen, Aussie yen, pound yen, euro yen, chef yen, card. Come on, what the hell is this? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Anyways, let's go to okay, let's see this thing. Let me check something here. We are disconnecting the connection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through all the wait lists. I mean the watch lists. I'm sorry, the watch lists, and I promise you will get a setup like this. This one is already gone, but we will get a setup. Up there, another setup right there. What do you do up there? Sell. I will show you that. Let me connect this thing again. Give me a second. So here, if you can see it up there, what do we have? One red candle, another bullish green candle, and then another red candle. All right. Okay. Then what happened? The third candle broke. That's a black box. If you want to know, that's a black box still. Why? The bodies are overlapping. And the third candle, what it did do, it overlapped and filled every body of the previous candle black box. I already told you that. So we are back. Thank you very much. So What the hell is this? Oh, Ethereum BTC. Alright. They are similar. They are similar to the. We don't need this one because we are not trading crypto, Ethereum BTC. Aussie yen. We want this thing to trade where? Up there. Up there. We wanted to trade up there. I told you that it has to trade above half of the half percent of this thing. Otherwise, we don't consider this as a black box. Okay, the thing here, same thing here. It's a black box. We sell that thing. We wait. Bam. You can trail and protect yourself. You can trail, stop and protect yourself. Right there, the same thing. Here, what happened here? This is a third model happened. Third model happened here. Look at that. Yep, there we go. There we go. What happened here? Bam. Right? Bam. Don't sell, you don't do nothing. Here, what do? You, when the price approaches here, what do? You sell. You sell it, okay? You sell it. And your stop loss would be hit. Without any doubt, your stop loss would be hit up there. Your stop loss up there, then this thing will come up and get you out of the. What do? That you buy. You buy that thing. Look, support, and you buy down there too. Again buy stop loss down there. You buy again, bam. Look at that. That's another delivery right there. And look another. This is also included in my book. Okay, you can check that out. Everything I'm talking here is included in my book, so you don't have to do anything else. All you gotta do is just a step by step guide. You gotta apply that thing. It's simple. It is just simple like that. Buy, wait, right there, buy it, right there, buy it again, right there, buy again, another buy, right? So look, everything is in profit. Everything is in profit. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. So this thing has to trade up. Otherwise, there is no black box here. Why? Let's measure this. Oh my god, that's good. It traded up. That's good. It's going to have percent and buy. It traded up. That's just so that's Aussie yen, not euro yen. And look what's happening. And look here, every black box I'm trying everything here. Look, look, look. That's a black box. You sell that thing. You sell that thing. You sell that thing and you trade your stop loss. Trade your stop loss. And then what do you do up there? You sell it again. You sell that thing again. Using the second model. In the second model, you sell that. Okay, look, it went to your TP. It went to your TP, right? So then, since it is based on the previous black box, I have already told you in my previous video. I mean, in my book, I have included that when you see multiple black boxes in that area, in that particular area, what you gonna do is you gonna determine that black box first. I mean the previous black box. You gonna determine the previous black box first. Okay, like this is the previous one, then this is the second one, and there is no other one. Right there, we got one here. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Right there is you buy. Right there is where you buy. Okay. Right there is where you buy. Right. So this seems like a cliche or ironic, being ironic, which means right here we buy and down here we sell and right there we buy. What is going on here? What is going on? You might say that. You might say that. But based on this, we buy. Based on this, we sell. Right? we sell. So I tell people to focus on the the recent black box, the recent one. Okay, focus on the recent one. So from these three, the recent one is this one. This is the recent. Okay, this is the recent. So if you are already in trade for this one, you trailed your stop, so this thing will get you out of the trade profit, because you sold down there in profit, you trailed at break even, and this thing will get you out of the trade. It's simple as that. It is simple as that. Then what do you do? Another black box format. Another black box format. Alright. So based on this, you would sell. Okay, you would sell. Based on this, you would sell. Based on this one, you would sell. So as you can see, sell. Look, it is a huge move. Your plus always up there. Don't touch nothing. This is a black box up there. Bam. Then you trail your stop at break even. Then you go to where? The next black box. I see. Because this thing has delivered to the downside and then moved up and delivered to the downside again. I told you that if if one black box delivers two times, a couple of times, that is gone. Uh, the black box is gone. It is exhausted, which means we will be looking for the next one. Okay, look at that. Look at here. This thing delivered to the downside, right, and then moved up. Look, it moved up. That's it. This is a straight one. This is a straight one. This until this low is broken, the downside is a straight one. This is still bullish. So deliver the downside one, and it has one more chance. Went up. Right there, it has one more chance. It is still moving up. It didn't deliver to the downside yet. So it is still moving up. So it is now gone. This thing is gone now. This thing is gone now. This thing is gone. Maybe the supply and demand zone traders can use this thing like this, but we don't. It is gone. This thing is gone. Why? TP3 is nailed. In my book I have written about this TP3, and once TP3 and TP4 is nailed, we don't expect no more from this black box. Okay, then it is to consider the newly formed black box. And alright, let's hope the audio is not choppy. Alright, so the time is running out, so let's do it fast. As you can support, buy. Let's do this because TP3 is not nailed yet, so you buy. Right here, did we do? We hit two times. We sold and then we sold again. Right here, right? Two times delivered. Even went up. That is a huge move by itself. Okay, when you measure this, as you can see, it went to TP2 right there. As you can see, TP2 right there nailed it. That is just crazy. That's just crazy. So this black box is what do? We let this thing down. Why? Because this is a black box. This thing didn't jump, so this is a black box now. 1, 2, 3 overlapped on each other. 4, 5. So I would be ready to sell or buy this thing. Okay, to sell or buy this thing. I don't know what this is gonna do. I will be following what the market is doing. I'll be following what the market is doing. So based on this, as this thing breaks, you buy. Based on this. Based on this, you already bought, so don't touch nothing. Right? There we go. There we go. Yep. There we go. So that is Aussian. I will be selling Aussian. Real fast. Oh my goodness, it is going hard, bro. No. I'll be selling Aussie. Aussian. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'll be selling again, and I'll be waiting until the TPC is nailed. Of course, I would trade mine. There we go. There is Aussie. Let's go to the 5 minute. Oh my goodness. That is what I don't like. Look at the spread. The spread is not gonna. That is not good, bro. I didn't expect this from the yen pairs. The yen pairs were great. The yen pairs were great, but I don't know what's happening. So prime XBT, it is just crazy. It's just crazy. The spread is crazy. Not good. What about $1,000? Let's see. I didn't even went. There we go. The spread just revealed itself. Look, that's a huge spread. I don't know how we can trade this thing if this thing has a huge spread like this. The black box is gonna have a huge problem because this is not good. These kinds of spreads, they are not good. What about the 15 minute? Let's see. Man, it is a major currency, right? I mean, a major currency per $1,000. Like euro dollar. This is huge spread. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. Where is euro dollar? If it is like this, then I'm not gonna trade this thing. I'll trade the Bitcoin and the gold. I'll trade Bitcoin. Look at that. Euro dollar has to be 0 or close to 0.2 pips the spread. But look what's happening here. It is crazy. The spread is crazy. This is good. It is, we are even on the 15 minute time frame. This is just crazy. Look at that black box. A buy. Look at that black. A buy. Look at that. A buy. So this is crazy. It's amazing. It's amazing. So what I should do is I would go to BTC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and even KDM, bro. The yen pairs were tight. The spreads were very tight. Look at that. It is a 15 minute time frame. Look at that shit. You cannot trade the black box with this spread. I told you that the spread has to be tight. It has to be tight for the black box to work because we are most likely scalping. We are scalpers, okay? Black box is more of like a scalping thing. So we need the spread to be very tight, very tight. But look what's happening. Look what's happening. It is crazy. So I'm gonna go to BTC. BTC has no spread at all. That's amazing. That's why I love the cryptos. Where is it? Right here. The spread is almost, look at straight line, bro. That is straight line. I love that shit, bro. Let us go to the 5 minute. That's just amazing, bro. Look, now I know why the most traders trade gold and cryptos and Bitcoin. It is just amazing. Look, the spread is tight, bro. It is almost zero, bro. Look at that. 25, 25, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Let us go to gold. That is BTC. What about Ethereum? Ethereum USD. Let us see that thing. There we go. That's amazing. This is amazing too. It is not like Bitcoin, but this is good. And we got the black box. That's amazing. This is a 5 minute time frame. So I'm gonna look that. I told you you can't sell risers. That is the second model. Retest, sell that shit. Sell it. Look at that delivery. That is just crazy. That is just crazy. Let's delete this. Not delete last one. As that's a lot. So what we do is we look at that. Look, I told you that if we had solved that thing, the spread is wide, so I'm not gonna involve myself. See, it is crazy. Look, look. Come on, man, give me a break. So we would sell down there the first time, and then the second time up there. Okay, inside our box and up there too. Sell. That's amazing, right? It's amazing. It is amazing. Man, it is only one time. No, it is not only one time. I showed you everything. This is a black box. Sell it. This is a black box. Buy it. I showed you. This is a black box. Buy. Buy. What the hell do you want, brother? This is a black box. Buy. I told you that. Down there. Buy. This is not a one time. Look at this. This is a black box. You project your 5%. Did it move below the 5%? No. No. This is a black box. Right? This is a black box. Your 5% includes this one. This is a 5%. This is a 5%. Look, look. It didn't move a lot. So no trade here. There is no trade here. There is no trade. Up there is a buy. There is a buy. Bam. Support. Boom. Support. Boom. Look at that shit. So you tell me that it is working on only one time? No, it is not. It is working frequently. It is frequent. It is a lot of times. It works a lot of times. Look at this. After hitting T3, look what's happening. You're gonna see something like some week, a week. You see that? Did you see that? That's ridiculous, bro. That's ridiculous. And look at that, bro. Look at that. That is not good. The precision. It is accurate, bro. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I mean, look. I told you you're gonna see a week. And look what's up. TP3 take partials, I told you. And break even. Stop loss at break even. So no worries. You are jumping up and down. That's amazing. That's amazing. Right? So you can see this is a trend. This is a trend. Look. Bam bam. Bam 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 bam. Everything. Everything in line. And look that black box. That is just, this is just amazing, bro. Look. It is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. I told you that. That's a quick 200 bucks or $100. Yeah, if you enter 0.5 lot or one lot, even one lot, that's $100, I think. That's a lot of moves, a lot of pips. You enter down there, right? So 5%. That is bam. That is what, 3 pip? I don't think that's 3 pips. That's more than just 3. That is more than 3 pips. That could be 30 pip, I think. 3 pip? No, I don't think so. And if you have the retest up there, of course, you're gonna enter that. Bam, look, that is 46, 45. So you have 30 and 45, that's 70 something. Okay, that's huge. That's huge. So this is it. So I will bring Ethereum and Bitcoin, and then Nasdaq maybe. What is the German side? Is nice if they have a tight spread. That is a tight spread. Look at that is a tight spread. That's what I love. So this is good. So I would be trading the gold, of course, gold. There we go. Come on, man. Even gold, bro. There is a huge spread, bro. Come on. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I buy. I delivered. So finally came back up. So this thing is moving up to the upside like crazy. Look at a sell. And look at this, a buy. And the rise here, a buy. Okay, I told you that. I told you that. When it supports, you buy. I told you that. Rise here, if this thing traded down below the 5%, I mean the the 50%, we would consider this as a black box, and then we would buy this thing. Okay. So anyways, this is our trading gold, and let's see Japan. Japan is another index. I think it is another name is Nikkei. Oh my god, this is not good. How do not trade Japan? Japan is bro. Japan is an index. It is an index. Why the hell is look Nasdaq, bro? Why is the spread this wide, bro? I'm not gonna trade Nasdaq. Look, the prime exhibit is it is just crazy. It's crazy. I mean, I'm not gonna deposit money here, bro. No. Silver, you can see silver has a wide spread. Look, a wide spread. I am on the 5-minute time frame, but S&P 500 is like, look at that is very wide too. So I'm not gonna trade this because I want a fast. I mean, I have to trade on the lower time frame because I don't want to wait a day or 4 hour time, 4 hour candle to close. So I'm not gonna trade S&P 5, not Nasdaq, no Japan. So even dollar, oh my goodness, dollar card is very wide. Look, that is just crazy. Okay, dollar yen, even the dollar yen, bro, it is very high. It is not now. It's just crazy. Silver, dollar is the same thing I showed you before. Look, do you see that? That's very wide. And gold, XAU USD. That's amazing. Now that's what I'm gonna trade now. Zinc, zinc is. Oh my! Look! Man, what the hell? These are the ones. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold. Those are the ones that I'm gonna trade. And German certificate. That's all. That's all. There is no other thing. But I mean, let's see oil. Let's see. Oh my goodness, this is white, so I'm not gonna trade this one. Oil, even oil is very wide, bro. I don't know why, bro. Copper is gonna be, bro. It is gonna be very wide because copper is very volatile, but I'm not gonna trade. So these are the things that I'm gonna trade, and I'll show you the result. Oh my! Did you see that, Ausian, bro? Look. Let's see this one, and I'll close the video because we are spending too much time. And I gotta eat my lunch, so it is lunch time now. So I gotta eat my lunch, and I'll catch you later. I'll catch you later. Okay? I'll catch you later, and I'll show you how much I got, how much I made. I'm not gonna blow the account. You'll see that. You'll see that everything will be in greens, bro. Green, bro. Look, sell. I told you, you said that thing, right? You said that. If I was in trade, I would be selling that thing. Okay, I would be selling that thing. Stop loss would be above there. Okay. Again, sell. If that thing comes back, I sell. Comes back, I sell. Up there until the 5% is nailed, I would sell. I would sell. I will never think twice. I will never think twice, bro. Just like one. Look. Buy. Then come back, I buy. Come back, I would buy. Like crazy. Look at this. We don't use this trend line, but you can see this. This is a strong support. So you would think that this thing is moving up. Look. Another sell. I would sell that thing too. So let me place a 5% up here. I'm not gonna that much devastated if the stop loss is hit. Why? I sold here, bro. I didn't sell down there. That is a wide stop loss. But here to here, it is tight. It is very tight, bro. It's very tight. And look what is happening. I'm sure you're gonna see a bearish candle. You're gonna see a red candle down here, down there. You will see that. So until I upgrade my setup, I'm not going to stream. Okay. I love streaming, bro. I love streaming like crazy, especially in trading. I love streaming. I love streaming all day long, bro. You can find me on Twitch, you can find me on Kick, and you can find me on YouTube. Okay, I'll be streaming on 3 platforms, on 3 of them. So this thing is approaching our stop loss. Then that is where I sell again. That's where I said, look. So my stop loss will be triggered, I think here. Not touch it. Look how this thing is respecting that. Bam. Now is the time to buy, baby. Now what do you do? Now what do? You buy, right? So you sold that thing. You sold that thing. You proceed. You buy. You buy. And let me show you. Let me tell you some secret. Let me tell you some secret. And we would expect this thing to move where? Up there. Up and up there. Would expect this thing to move up there. Let me tell you something. When that thing comes back down, okay, let me delete this. We don't use this one. When that thing comes back down like this, you buy. When that thing comes back, you buy. When that thing comes back down here, buy. Okay, this is what you buy. Your stop loss is where you will see that happening here. About it down there here. Your stop loss is below the 5%. So until this thing is hit, you buy down there. You buy. Okay. Of course, your risk management has to be in mind. You have to keep in mind the risk management. Okay. And we will see this thing. Let's delete this. Let's delete this one. We don't need it. So our stop loss is here. Hypothetically, we bought this thing. Okay. Imaginary. Let's assume that imaginary. Like there, I'm buying it. Another buy. Let me place something here. I bought here. Let's see. So I would assume I would hope, not hope, but I know that it is gonna move up. I know that it is gonna move up. You will see that shit. You will see that happening in more. So I bought that thing. Once that thing below is passed down, if it moves down, I'll be buying another. Okay, I'll be buying another. Don't worry about nothing. I'll guide you. Okay, so this week is not good, bro. This week right here, come on, man. Let me show you here. Let me show you something. Let me show you something here. What do you think about this? This is what? The part of this consolidation. This is part of the black box, right? Right? Every black box that is filling this didn't break nothing. Every price that filled this, what? This week didn't do nothing. It didn't break nothing. So what do you assume? What do you assume? So this price broke it. But is it 5%? Is it 5%? Look at that. This 5% is for this high. And let me clone this one. And this 5% will be for what? This 5% will be for what? It will be for this high, for this week. For this week. That is a 5% for this week. So 5% should be where? Up there. It should be up there. So I made a mistake here. I made a mistake here. I am not gonna regret that. If I make a mistake, I'm gonna tell you. If I make a mistake, I'm gonna correct it right away. I'm doing this to teach you, okay? I'm doing this. So the black box is where? It is actually up there. The black box is actually up there. But let me see the connection. The connection is struggling. So the black box is still out there. So that is a 5%, not this one. Okay, when you are trading, you have to consider this. Why? The black box is this one. I place the black box down here to make it clean. Okay, to make it clean, not bulky. Not bulky. I already mentioned this in my book. So when you see a wick, a single wick that is protruding and very long, and it is not equal with other candles, don't enclose it with a black box. Don't enclose it with a box. I already told you that, right? I already talked about this in my book. You can check that out, and I'm telling you here too. You don't have to get the book, okay? I'm telling you here. So the black box is here. So I'm trying to connect the connection back up. The black box contains up there, and the 5%, the true 5% up there. If this week was not here, the 5% is this one. Since this week is here, the 5% is up there. So you gotta wait until that 5% is gone. So this is a black box. Man, I'm loving this black box, bro. We can say this is a blue box. We can say this is a blue box, but so we gotta wait until the 5% broken up there. That's it. That's it. Not even close. So once that thing breaks, you buy. Then you don't worry about nothing. Then once this thing comes back, you buy again. Comes back, you buy again. Comes back, you buy. Right? It has to be in small lots. So you have a lot of opportunities. So you have to scale. That is what scaling means. Scaling doesn't mean when the price moves up, you buy, and moves up, you buy, and moves up, you buy. No. Scaling means when the price comes down in a bullish trend, you buy. When it comes down, you buy. When it comes down, you buy. That's what we're doing. When it comes down, you buy. You already know that it is moving up there. So the idea starts where? The idea already started up there. Where is that bulb? The idea started already up there. Not here, but not here. If the wick was not here. Since this is right here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until that thing is broken, okay? So don't make a mistake that I made here. I made a mistake here. So you don't buy or you don't sell here. Don't buy or sell here. Why? We are not bullish yet. Why? The 5% is not broken. Right? What does it mean? It means we are still bearish. It means we are still bearish. Even if we broke this thing, it means we are still bearish. Do you hear some ICT traders saying that, oh man, liquidity grab, okay? The highs are now swept, now I'm gonna sell, bro. I'm gonna sell. Once I see a change of character, once I see a gap, a fair value gap, I'm gonna sell, right? They say that a lot. So this is what's happening. This is what's happening. We are still bearish. That is still a retest. We can say it is still a retest, not a liquidity grab. You can say it is a liquidity grab, but It is retest. In black box term, it is a retest. Okay, it is a retest. So we got what that thing is broken. Once that thing breaks, the retest finishes. The bearish scenario, the bearish bias ends like crazy. It is gone. Now we are bullish, bro. Now we are bullish. So this is the thing. Okay, since this we have that week, our 5% is up there. If we don't have that week, our 5% is down there. Alright, that's how you do it. But when you draw the black box, you draw the equal lows and the equal highs. Notice that I didn't connect this low. Notice that. But I know that I'm gonna sell down there. I know that I'm gonna sell down there because the 5% includes that loss. 5%, not that loss, not the bodies. Look what happened here. So this is the scenario. So this buying will be commenced. I will be buying once this thing touches that. Okay. Until then, no buying, no selling. I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch. In fact, I will be selling this one. I will be selling this one. Why? Because the 5% not touch. That is where my stop loss is located. So I will be selling this one. The previous thing that I told you, sell that thing when this thing enters here is still working. It is still working. This thing is collapsing. Okay? This thing is collapsing. So let us go to. So keep in mind this. Okay, keep in mind this. I hope the sound is clear, like crisp. I mean, it has to be clear, otherwise you didn't hear anything I said. So this is not good. Let us place a black box up there too. Do you see that? Let us increase this a little because I like the color. This amazing color. This blue, bro. Blue is crazy. Blue is amazing. Blue like water, bro. That's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. So what do you do if you are trading this one? But I recommend you check the previous black box. Do not trade the recent one if there is a previous black box. Okay, draw that out and see what's happening. Okay, have an idea. See what's happening, right? So here, based on this, you would say, but since we are here, we are still selling up there. We are still selling up there. I told you that. Where I will sell here, I will sell here, I will sell here, I will sell here up there. So look what's happening. We are moving to take profit, even if we are in this bullish trend. The trend line has no value here. It has no value. It is gonna be broken like it is nothing. Trend line traders are like they are crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. Look. It is gonna blow this thing like it is nothing, bro. You'll see that shit, bro. You'll see that shit happening. If that percent is not broken, we are coming down, bro. You will see that. So this is the things that I wanted to show you. So we are selling. We'll be looking to sell down there until this thing comes down. This stop loss will be down there if that thing breaks up there. Alright? Otherwise, we are selling. So the idea still unfolds, bro. It is amazing. It's beautiful. So I am trying to show you what is gonna happen. Okay. So you know that I'm not capping or I'm not lying or I'm not trying to bend reality, bend the truth and make it seem like bend the truth and make it seem like the truth. And if you bend the truth, then it is gonna be a lie. If you bend the truth, it is gonna be a lie. Look at that. We got what? A black box here. So we're gonna be live streaming, and once I'm praying to God that I'm in impossible situations. That's why I am not with you guys. I am not uploading often. I am not streaming often, right? Because my computer is old. It is very old, and as you can see, I am using this as a mic. Look at this. This is my phone, and still using it as a mic, right? It is not because I have no money. It is because where I live. Where I live, there is no accessories, there is no electronics, there is no mic, there is no camera, there is no. I mean, it's crazy, bro. Even the connection is very, very bad. I mean, it's crazy. So I'm in impossible situation. That's why I am disappearing so often. So I will make some changes. I will upgrade my setups and we'll do some light touch-ups. Lighting will be good. So as you can see, I'm using just a normal light bulb, a normal home light bulb. So there's not that much. So and I'm using the computer's camera. So I gotta buy a camera. I gotta buy a PC that can handle the streaming, and I gotta upgrade my connection to my internet connection too, so I can stream for you guys day by day. All right, so we're gonna make this happen, and and we pray to God, man. We pray to God. Okay, we pray to God. That's what I'm doing. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So it's just a matter of time. Okay, it's just a matter of time, and we'll be. I think we'll be up. We'll be up. Okay, we'll be up. So look what's happening here. So look what's happening here. Look, black box here. Look at that. It is not reacting based on random thing. No, it's not random. This is not random. So you sold up. See, you are in profit. You trail. You're at break even. Was at break even. So you don't care if this thing comes back. You don't care. You are in profit here. You are in profit. You are in profit. Or you can take partials and don't touch the stop loss. Take partials and don't touch the stop loss. You have two choices. So I have talked about this in my book, so you can check that out too. Right? I have written about it. I have written about which one is better and which one isn't, and based on my back testing the data, and which setups are perfect, which setups are good, which setups are not. I mean, all the setups are good, but the retests are just like a blind trading, like blind trading. Look at that. I sold that thing down there, right? But look what happened. This thing deep retest, deep, and look what happened. It collapsed. So the retest is not good. It is not the same as the the real breakout, the first model, or the third model, like this one. Like this one. This is the third model. It's the third model. You are right away. You will be in profit. You would be in profit like this. This could be regarded as the third model, but would not interest here. So look at this. This trend line is acting as nothing. This trend line is nothing now. Nothing. Look what's happening. I told you that. I told you that it is better to use the black box than any other trend line or indicators. Right? I told you that. It is based on real data, real backtesting, real profits, and real life trading. Okay, that the black box is based. It is not. It is not fictitious. It is not fiction. Right in front of I'm telling you. I'm showing you that it is falling. I told you that it's falling. You have to sell when this thing comes back up. If that thing breaks above there, you have to buy. I told you, but that thing didn't happen. So in both scenarios, we are right. Isn't that crazy? In both scenarios, we are right. It is ridiculous. It's ridiculous, I know that, but it's just crazy, bro. It is gonna get better. You will see that. You will see that, bro. Once I upgrade my setups and everything, everyone will know about this, and you will see that. You will see that everyone will be making money, bro. And they will thank that the black box existed. So look at that. So you either take partials or you either trail your stops and wait and hope that it does not retest. If it retests, you're gonna be out of the trade. Based on this, if the black box below before it, based on this, what do? You sell it. Where? Right there. Right there is a sell. Bam. Okay. So as you can see, our idea played out well. Amazing. That's why I love the lower time frames. You don't have to wait for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, right? You don't have to worry all day just to lose, just to lose. Even after worrying, even after doing everything right, you still lose because you don't know what you are doing. But here in the black box, you know what you are doing, bro. You know what you are doing. Now look. So since we are still in this thing, so now this thing is gone. Okay, this thing is gone. Why? We have this and this. This thing is gone. It delivered. Then it delivered. This thing is gone now. Just like I said it. Right there. It delivered. It delivered. Right? Okay. Right? Then it went up. So this one is gone right here. And this thing is gone. 2 times. I told you that if the setup moves 2 times, then that setup is gone. A couple of times. If the setup delivers 2 times, that setup is gone, bro. I told you that. So you would consider this one next. This one next. Okay. So here, based on this, you would buy. Based on this, you would buy. Now it is time to buy this. Okay. Here, what do? You buy. It is time to buy. Your stop loss where? Exactly right there. Exactly right there. Okay. If you missed this, I'm talking about if you missed this, and if you have this setup right here inside this, then based on this you would buy, not that one, this one, the previous one. I told you that one is the previous one. If you have a previous black box, so you would buy this. So I'm buying this. I'm buying this. I see that this thing move up. I see this thing move up now. Look, just look this. So I bought down there. I bought up there actually. I bought up there. Once this thing dips down, touches, licks this box, I'll be buying. Look, I'll be buying again. Right there, down there. Look down there. I will be buying again. Even if that thing moves down, I will be buying. Stop loss is down there. That's why. Okay. The amazing thing is, it is not wide. The stop loss is not wide, bro. It is not wide. Here, the stop loss is wide. You would enter a sell here, right? And then your stop loss up there. Look, that is very wide. The first model, it is just crazy. Because it's weak, it made it wide, very wide. But here, when you trade the retests. That's amazing. They are very tight. They are very tight. If you had waited until this thing dips down low, I mean halfway, at least halfway, then your stop loss will be upset. So you don't. That is a tight stop loss. When you do this, that's a tight. So look, bah, yes, that's a tight stop loss, right? Then it will be coming down. So this is a buy. You buy that thing, stop loss down there. Usually up there. Yeah. That's a 5%. 5% is that's enough. That space is enough for the 5%. That space is enough. And let us see. I I I gotta see something up, moving up. I gotta see something up, moving up. If that thing moves down and hits this, I will be selling. I will be selling. I don't care. I don't care. But the stop loss is look. If that thing breaks down, let me show you. Is this and just like that one, if that thing comes down, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell. I would sell, sell. But the stop loss has to be upset, so that is very wide. So you gotta abandon that. Abandon that setup. Abandon it. Okay. Abandon it. Why? Look the stop loss, bro. It is not worth it. From up to down there, bro. That stop loss for that 60, 6.4, but let me say it is 60 pips. It is 60 pips. So it is crazy. It is crazy. So I already wrote about this in my book. So when you see these large third models, just abandon. Don't trade the third model. Trade this one. Buy this shit, right? Buy it. Then place your stop. If that is it, it is it. That's it. That's it. Just go on your day or find another setup or another currency pair. That's it. Okay. That's we are still buying until this thing is hit. We are still buying, bro. We are still moving up, bro. We are still buying. I gotta see this thing hit this one. I gotta see this thing hit this one. Otherwise, we are still buying, bro. So let's see. Let's see. I will add another buy here. I will add another buy here. So we are right in both ways, right? In both ways. Why? If that thing breaks, I'll be selling. I am right. Even if that thing retests that thing, it is still moving down. If that thing moves up, I am right. Why? I bought it, bro. I bought it. I told you that I'm gonna buy here. This is a black box. I'm gonna buy this one. It is one of the two models, right? But this is a black box. It makes 3 candles here when this thing breaks up. I have mentioned this thing in my. I mentioned this what it is, this is, and how to trade it in both ways. Using the third model and using the second model. This one. In my book, so it is all there. You can check that out. So everything is there, every setup is there, all 6 setups. 6 setups are there. You can use it with your choice. It is your choice. All of them are good. Especially the retests, they have tight stop loss, which means you don't lose too much. So the retests are amazing, bro. The retests are amazing, bro. And they are at the point you don't miss any movement, bro. They are at the point. So I assume that this thing is moving up. This thing is moving up. At least up there. At least up there. Then if that's not the case, then I would not sell this. Why? The stop loss is huge. The stop loss is very huge, so this thing could come back, support here, could come back up there, and it is not worth it at all. It's not worth it. If that thing breaks down, this thing is not gonna stop. It will move down here. Why? Because let me measure this. Let me measure this. It's already a longer video, but look, this market has to move down if that thing breaks. It has to move there. It has to. It must. It must. I don't care if it retests. I don't care if it comes back up. It cannot take that high. It can't take that high, but it has to move down there. Even down there. Let me show you this. Okay, this is one, right? Yes, based on the box, it is right here, down there. Based on the one-to-one, based on your stop loss, that is TP1. Based on the black box, your TP1 will be down there, right there. Okay. But if that thing breaks down, it is gonna move like crazy to the downside. You would see that. You would see that happening. It might retest, come back up. It might come back up and move down still. Right? It might touch this thing, move by moving up. But still, I am buying, bro. I am buying. Even if it is a small lots, I am buying. Alright? So nothing to panic. Nothing to panic. Look at that. Nothing to panic here. Look. And based on this, we made another black box, baby. We made another black box. So our shift now, our idea is shifted to the recent price of here until this thing delivers. This thing delivers. This thing delivers by moving up, bro. Until this thing moves up. If that thing moves up, then this thing is over. This thing will be what? Over. Then we will be coming to this, okay? So we are using two black boxes, back to back, alright? Back to back, okay? So that's what we are doing. That's what we are doing. So this same thing is happening here, right here. This same thing right here. Look, this thing broke. This thing should not have broken this thing if the normal black box. But this is a two candles black box, so this thing broke. Okay, look, look, look. They are still moving. I told you that to buy this shit. Buy this shit. I told you that. I'm not gonna take that back. I will not take that back. I am buying. I am buying. How much time did we spend? 1 hour, bro. And the lighting is great, bro. The lighting, the sun reflecting, everything, bro. It's just amazing. So 1 hour. Yeah, I should close this thing. So that's why I told you that streaming is better than this recorded videos, bro. Streaming is better, bro. That's why. That is why, bro. Streaming is better, bro. You don't have to worry about recording. You don't have to worry about uploading. You don't have to worry about nothing. I mean, so yeah, we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. With God, we believe. In God, we believe. So we don't need this light. We don't need this light. I can close that one too because I'll trade later, not now. I gotta eat my lunch, bro. Lunch time is passing, so I gotta be fast now. What the hell happened? So it is refreshing and okay. I mean, everybody is shouting, "Come, come, man, come back! We are eating lunch." So that's good. That's good. Let's go, brother. Let's go. Just pump it, bro. Just pump it. Just pump it, bro. Look right here. Another buy here. Based on this, you buy down there. Let me delete this shit. This is just making this thing messy. So let's come back here. Right there is where you buy. Your stop loss still down there. It's your new stop loss. If you missed this one, so now what do? You buy. That right there. Okay? That thing broke, supported. That is still break and retest. That is the second model. If you forgot about that, but it is in the form of what? It is in the form of the two candles. Okay, this thing in the lower time frames it broke. This one, this one it broke, but it never came down. Do you see any black? I mean, red candle? No, I don't see any red candle, which means this is a real breakout in the lower time frames. There was a black box and the black box was broke. You buy that, but not here, not here. There is no fourth candle here, only three more. So just like I told you here, as the resisting broke and this thing supported, right? What do? You buy. Where? Right there. Right there you buy. That is a buy right there. Then what do you do now? You put your stop loss where it is, down there. It has to be below that 5%. And your profit will be there. Look the precision, bro. Look at the precision, bro. It is godlike, bro. It is godlike, bro. It is godlike. Don't panic. Don't panic about nothing. Don't panic. You bought it. You buy right there too. You buy. You buy again. Okay, let me clone this thing right here. If the thing this was, I mean the prime exhibit was the spread. If the spread was very tight, then I would have showed you by entering a trade. But the spread is very wide, so I'm not gonna enter a trade, because if I enter a trade here a buy, it would be up there. It would say I bought up there. No, the price is down there. Why would I buy up there? That is very expensive. I gotta buy down there, bro. Jesus Christ, what's going on, bro? They are making a lot of money and they still keep snatching from traders. It's just crazy. 90% lose money, and you are making money, right? You are getting money, but you still snatch from them. It is just sinful, evil plan. It is an evil plan, bro. An evil plan. So still another buy, you buy that shit again. Again you buy it. Your 5% down there. This one 5% is down there. I'm waiting for it to break. I'm waiting for the price to touch that. If that thing is touched, gone. That is gone. That buy is gone. So we'll be converting to a sell. This one is for this black box. If that thing breaks, we are selling. If that thing breaks, we are selling too. But this one is a white stop loss. So the connection is having a difficult time here. Okay. Let us bring it back online, bro. Let us bring it back online. Okay. Okay. We are still buying. Guys, don't panic. Don't panic. I know a lot of you are gone, only a small part, a small people are watching, still watching, and I appreciate you. And you will be rewarded. I swear to God, you will be rewarded more than the others. You will be rewarded. People who are watching up until the end, you will be rewarded more than supply and demand can give you, more than ICT can give you. You will be rewarded. I'm telling you. I promise you. I promise you. I'm not joking. You will see that. You will see that. The world is changing. You will see that. Your financial status change. Your profits soar up, bro. Soar up. You will be another person, bro. You will be another person. And everybody will be losing money, but you will be making money. You will be snatching money out of them, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Just believe me. Everybody wants a 5-minute video, but that's not gonna happen. Why? Because it cannot be taught in 5 minutes, bro. It cannot. It can't. A lot of factors that has to be. Let me bring this thing. Okay, the clouds are covering the sun, so no reflection anymore now. It is dark in here. So let's bring that thing down and this thing up. Look, I told you that to buy this thing. Until that low is taken out, the stop loss is low, you bought that red candle. You bought that bullish candle, and look what happened. Look, just look, bro. In both ways, we are right. In both ways, we are right. Why? We are specific, baby. We snipe. We are snipers. We do not buy this bullish move. We do not rush. We do not this red candle. We have a setup, bro. We have a specific setups to follow. We have a specific setups to follow. Right? We have a specific setups here. A buy the same as this one. Look what I do. Right here and here are the same. This one and this are the same. No difference. Look, TP4 nailed, I mean TP2 nailed. Now it's time to break even. It's time to put at break even. That's why I love the second model, the retests. They are amazing, bro. And the third model retests, they are amazing, bro. The retests, they are, man. If you have sold up there, look at that. Your stop loss is up there. It never, one tick, it never went up. It never did. Never, one point, it never went 1 pip, bro. Never, it didn't. Look, it respected and moved it down. Right? Like, every attempt to move up is just a sale opportunity. Every attempt to move up is sale. Every attempt to move sale. Every sale. Do you see that? Do you see that? Since this is responsible for this move, and inside this is responsible for this move, we are expecting this thing to move up right there. Right? Maybe hit this trend line up there. Maybe this trend line up there. But we don't care if it moves up or not. We are already in profit. We took chance up there. And our stop loss up there, so we are jumping. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. The video is getting very long, so I'll catch you in the next one. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll show you everything. And when we start a live stream, bro, man, we're gonna whip the market, bro. We're gonna whip. We will whip it, bro. We will whip it. So I'm not gonna wait until this thing moves up. So I'll see you next time. Okay. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Okay. And get the book if you want. A small, I mean, 70 pages. It is only 70 pages, bro. It has psychology, it has models, it has the 6 setups, and it has what not to do, how to prevent the force model. The force model is the enemy for us. It is very, very dangerous. Okay, it does not happen a lot, but it is dangerous. So I have already mentioned 4 points or 4 precautions what to do to prevent the force model, right? So that we can improve our accuracy to 85 to 90%, bro. It's crazy. We can't push the limit. So that is it. So grab your book. It's only 70 pages, and you will not need anything. That book will be with you entire life. In your entire life, you do not delete that book, bro. You do not remove that book, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You would never get any information that is in that book anywhere else. In that book, there is a unique information, a unique setup, a unique take profit, a unique stop losses. Just like I showed you here live. There is no cherry picking. I didn't cherry pick. I showed every black box. Every black box, bro. Every black box. Who the hell does that? Who the hell does that? Does ICT do? Does ICT does ICT show you every setup? Every single day, every single minute. Every minute, bro. Every minute, bro. Do you have a strategy that gives you a setup every minute? Do you have? I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. So the black box have an answer for that. So grab your book if you don't want to watch these 2-hour long videos. Alright, these 2-hour long videos, they are very lengthy. They are good. They will teach you so much, but if you don't want to watch that, if you don't have time, if you are working, then that book is the one. So take that book, grab that book, and you will not regret. I swear to God, you will not regret downloading that book. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you. The other thing is, so we'll be streaming once we set up our everything. So as you can see, the lighting and everything is not good, and it is not good, bro. It's not good. So I'll be setting up some, and I'll be making sure that you get a professional service. So streaming setup needs a lot of things, bro. A lot of things. So you need a mic, not something like this. You need a mic, you need a camera, you need a PC, right? And you need a good internet connection. So everything is live, so a good internet connection is good. So I will be doing that. Because this one, the sun is out again. It's crazy. It is like one time it is bearish and another time it is bullish. The sun is also trading. It is crazy. So I'll see you next time, and I'll see you. I'll update you about the challenge. Okay. So thank you for watching. Peace out, everyone.